My Lucky Umbrella, told by Era. Hi, I'm Era, and this is a story I'll never forget. Want to know how one little umbrella turned my whole day upside down? Well, here we go. It all started on a rainy afternoon. The sky was gray, and the streets were soaked. I had gone out to the market, just browsing around, when something caught my eye: a bright red umbrella, standing out like a cherry in a sea of black and gray. It was love at first sight. I checked the tag: $10. That was a bit much for me. I mean, I'm just a student. My budget's tight, but I gave it a shot and asked the seller, would you take 7 for it? He looked at me, smiled, and said, it's your lucky day. Deal. Lucky, right? Or so I thought. I bought the umbrella and headed to the bakery. My little brother loves cake, and I wanted to surprise him. I left my brand new red umbrella by the door and went inside. The smell of fresh bread and vanilla was everywhere, but when I came back out, it was gone. Yup, gone. In its place, a weird old black umbrella with yellow ducks printed all over it. Seriously? I sighed, grabbed the ducky umbrella, and started walking toward the town square, annoyed but still holding on to my cake box. That's when this guy walked up to me and said, hey. I blinked, totally confused. I didn't know him. I ignored him and walked faster, but he kept following me. Finally, he said, wait, Marissa. I turned around and snapped, I'm not Marissa. He looked just as surprised as I was, and then pointed to the umbrella I was holding. That's Marissa's umbrella. And then I realized someone must have taken my red umbrella by mistake and left theirs behind. And now, thanks to that, I was caught in someone else's story. Crazy, right? But here's the thing: that weird little mix-up led to something I never expected. But that's a story for another day.